For number 3, Priya has completed 9 exam questions. This is 60% of the questions on the exam. How many questions are on the exam? Show your reasoning. So, first of all, we got to remember that when we're trying to find 25% of 16, all we're doing is saying 25 over 100 times 16 equals our answer. So, in this case here, it's a little bit mixed around, right? So, we know that 60% here is equal to 9. So if we were trying to say 60% of something, let's put x here, that's going to give us 9. So in that case here, what we would do is just, instead of the 16 here in this problem, we're going to substitute x. So we would have 60 over 100 times x equals 9. So if this is our equation, all we have to do now is see what's happening to x. It's being multiplied by 60 over 100, so we need to divide by 60 over 100. And we need to do that to both sides. And remember, if we're dividing by a fraction, we're just multiplying by the reciprocal. So 9 over 1 times 100 over 60, which is just like saying 10 over 6. In this case here, we could say that 9 is just 3 times 3, and 6 is just 3 times 2. Cancel these out here. Now we have 3 times 10 over 2. And again, 10 can be 5 times 2. Now we can cancel out these 2's, become 1, and we get an answer of 15, because 3 times 5. So if we have x equals 9 over 1 times 100 over 60, it simplifies down to 15. So now our question here was asking how many questions are on the exam. So we have 15 questions on the exam, and 9 questions would be 60%.